Hey everyone, in today's episode, we're going to learn all about selecting objects in your 3D scenes. Knowing how to select the right things quickly is super important for working efficiently in 3ds Max. The most basic way to select things in 3ds Max is the Select Object tool. Right next to this icon are several methods to select objects in different ways. The first button to the right is the Select by Name tool. By clicking this button or pressing the H key, you can bring up a list and select objects by their names. You can select multiple objects by holding down the Ctrl key and then confirming your selection. Next, let's look at selecting regions. The default shape is a rectangle. Just click and drag to select everything inside the box. But we also have other shapes. Hold down the selection button for a second to see the other options, like circular, fence tool for custom shapes, and also a lasso tool for freehand selection. Each one of these allows you to select in different ways by encircling and selecting the objects. The Paint Selection Region tool is really cool. It's like a paintbrush for selecting objects. Just click and drag over the things you want. And something to remember is that you can add more objects to the selection by holding Ctrl while you click, or remove things from your selection by holding Alt. And as with everything in 3ds Max, we also have a shortcut. To quickly switch between the different region shapes, just press the Q key on your keyboard. This is going to toggle through all the different available selection shapes, returning to your initial settings. One important thing to understand is the difference between window mode and crossing mode. With crossing mode, anything your selection region touches will be selected. In window mode, objects had to be completely inside the selection area. This is important when you're working with groups versus individual objects, as groups require a more precise selection in the window mode. Selecting a whole group can take a little practice. Usually, you need at least two parts of the group outlined to be inside the selection box when you are in the window mode. For single objects, you just need to have them fully inside the box. If you're working on Wireframe view, don't forget that you have to click directly on the object lines to select it. The selection modes behave differently here compared to a shade view, where clicking on any part of the shade surface will select the object. And this is it for the selection tools. Mastering these options will help you to work faster in 3ds Max. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.